Hello everyone, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I have to share with you today. It's very simple and sweet. This is actually a card we made in a recent card club here at my home in North Lincoln. And we had great fun, so I thought I'd share it with you on here. Okay, so let's start off with some stamping. So let me bring in all my stamping goodies. We're going to be using Calypso Coral and Lost Lagoon. I've got some scrap here of very vanilla cardstock. Stamps that I'm going to be using as phrases for all. I'm going to use this little heart and also the happy birthday here. So I'm going to stamp my happy birthday and I'm going to stamp this in Calypso Coral ink. So let's ink this up nicely. And then we're just going to down, hold, and up like that. I've got a little bit of glue here somewhere, adhesive. Now I'm just going to clean this up before I dump this block in something and mess up something. So I'm just going to clean up using this, and it's a simple chamois. It makes clean up very easy. Okay, and then I'm going to close up the ink pad for now. We will need it again. Set that aside to dry. Going to bring in here, I've got a piece of very vanilla cardstock, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. And this is the Ink Botanicals Designer Series paper. And you can see you can have either side, but I'm going to have this pretty floral. And you can decide where you want it to go. And I think I'm going to have it to go there. And I'm going to stick this down. And this is just a piece that measures 7 centimeters wide by 14.35 centimeters long, so it's the same length as your very vanilla, but just a bit shorter, just like that. And now I've just remembered I need to pull it back up again. I did this the very first time by mistake as well. I do want to put in a piece here of this, and this is the gold foil sheet, just to give something extra. And I've just got a very thin strip here. I think this measures just a few centimeters. Yeah, 2 centimeters. And I'm just gonna layer this in, make sure it still can see. Try and keep everything as... This would be easier if I hadn't stuck down something first, but I wanted to keep this in and let you see. We all make mistakes. And it's not the end of the world. There we go. We can just cut off that overhang. Okay, and there we have our piece. Stick everything down. I think this could do with a little bit more glue here, so just going to put that there. And there we have our piece like that. Now I'm going to stamp some hearts down the centre here, and I'm going to start off with Lost Lagoon. So let's ink up a heart, and one at the top, one at the bottom, and one somewhere in the centre like that. Simple chamois. Close that ink pad up as we've finished with it now. Calypso Coral again. And just going to fill in the gaps with that there. Isn't that pretty? And this just matches the colours in the Designer Series paper. And that's where I've chosen the colours. Okay, so now I have a card base, and this is Pool Party. And this is another colour in the collection. And as a standard 8x card base, that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. I'm going to just stick down our panel to the outside. And just keep checking my camera because The microphone's been giving me a lot of problems today. It just cuts out for no apparent reason. I don't have a clue why. Anyone else has an idea why my microphone cuts out for no reason? I'm using whatever it's called, Streamlabs to go live with my webcam. And it just cuts out whenever it so wishes. I don't really know why. But it's very, very annoying. So I've got an insert of Very Vanilla that measures the same as the outside. So we've put that on. So now we can go back to our sentiment here. And we're just going to cut this out freehand using our trimmer. So let's do that. It's one piece. And then just going to cut a bit off the top. Bit off that side. Bit off that side. Take a look at it. Are we happy? No. We want a little bit more of the base, I think. Are we happy now? I think so. So let's move all these pieces somewhere else. Got a piece of Lost Lagoon cardstock scrap. It's another colour in the collection, as you know. It's a lovely collection of muted botanical themed papers and colours. It's just lovely for invokes those long hot summer days to me, where everything's maybe just a little bit tired, a little bit more muted, not so vibrant anymore, but equally gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to put down our sentiment here somewhere. I'm going to get our dimensionals. I'm going to use some of my strips. I end up sometimes using my strips before I use the rest of my dimensionals. They're very useful for these long pieces like this. So just snip them out. And these are good dimensionals, don't waste. When we're crafters, we hate waste. So let's take the buttons off all of these. They're nice and sticky. And then we're just going to put this down just like that. Very simple and easy card. Two different patterns. Don't know which pattern you prefer, A or B. Let me know in the comments below. I hope you do like this project. If you do, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.